Hi, I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability. Are you a flooring contractor wondering how to protect your business from costly accidents or legal claims? Stick around as we dive into flooring insurance, an essential safeguard for your tools, your team, and your livelihood. So let's make sure you're covered. Flooring installation comes with unique risks, from slip and falls incidents to tool-related injuries and defective materials. The challenges are real. Without proper insurance, a single mistake could lead to financial strain or even legal troubles. Flooring insurance is your solution, protecting your business, employees, and clients while you focus on delivering quality work. Here are the essential coverages every flooring contractor should consider. General liability insurance, which protects against third-party injuries or property damages, like a client slipping on unfinished surfaces. Workers' compensation, which covers medical costs and lost wages if an employee is injured on the job site. Equipment insurance, which safeguards your tools from theft or damage, ensuring you can keep working without any interruptions. Commercial auto insurance covers your vehicles while transporting tools and materials. And custom coverages. Tailor a policy that matches your specific business needs for maximum protection. Choosing flooring insurance offers a range of benefits, such as peace of mind, focusing on your projects knowing you're protected. Affordable rates, competitive options tailored to your budget. Quick claims processing. Get back to work fast with minimal delays. And flexibility, quarterly or monthly payment plans to fit your cash flow. Our policies are designed with flooring professionals in mind, ensuring you're covered from the unexpected. Flooring insurance isn't just a policy, it's a vital investment in your business's success. Are you ready to protect your team, tools, and projects? Visit contractorsliability.com or call us today to get your free customized quote. Don't wait, let's get your business covered so you can keep laying the foundation for success.